YouTube. Welcome back, guys. So today, we just got back from Lowe's home improvement store. So we got this nice Delta. It's like a oil rubbed bronze finish, and also come with the worry-free drain catch. So I like to buy Delta because they come with the lifetime warranty, and it says water sense meets EPA criteria. So I'm not sure what's that about. So we'll see. And I got this toilet paper holder to match it, and also this is the 24-inch towel bar. This one is by Aqua Source. Okay. And we also got some of this light switch plate and then outlet plate to match the bronze accents to the whole powder room. And both of these are made in USA, so it's kind of quite expensive. I believe the outlet is $7.99, and then the switch plate is $10.99. And it says no visible screws. So as you can see, it doesn't have any screws. So I gotta open this up and see how it's gonna work. So this one comes with one screw only, and this one comes with the 4 screws. Let's go ahead and unbox this paper towel holder real quick. So you gotta use like a flathead screw, to unscrew those, and then you gotta screw those against the hot wire or the hot wire on your existing plate. And hopefully it comes with a plate. Let me check. It should be. So yeah, it comes with this 2 of this plate, and also come with the screws on each side. And also this for the drywall. And come with this instruction booklet. Oh my god, it has scratch already. Alright, so let's move on to the next one real quick, guys. Put this out of the way. Jump into this one. So I believe the towel bar is going to be the same. So yeah, it should be the same. So it comes with this same thing. You gotta use a flathead screw to unscrew those, the screwdriver. And it should come with the plate to install. So yeah, it is same thing. Hopefully I can still use my existing hardware, so I don't need to put this in. So that will save some times. Let's move that out of the way. Let's go ahead and unbox this Delta faucet. Oh my god, it's so hard. Should have bring my scissor. I'm gonna bring my heavy duty scissor. Hold on just a second. So make the job much easier. So let's flip it up. Wow. So it comes with this hose. I guess it's for hot water and cold water. And go up to this faucet. So this is the bar for the stopper. Put this back. So this is a faucet. It comes with the net. Make sure you don't lose this piece, like an O-ring or plastic. And it says, what? Delta right there. And then that is a screw. You also come with this water stopper and has a drain. Come with this hardware as well, rubber seal. Come with this special tool. Hopefully it's not going to be too hard for me to install. And then so this is for the water stopper. And then this bar goes it goes in here to go up and down. So this is water stopper right here, okay? Since our chrome one is going bad, so it looks ugly, so we're gonna do a little upgrade on this. So I saw the other one at the Lowe's, it was a push-up kind, but this one's fine. And then this is handlebar for whichever side, hot or warm. Gotta read the instruction. And then this is the other side of it. Alright guys. Oh, it's a special system. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on the bell for notification. And then drop in your comments on below. All right. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.